Hey, this is Japira. Welcome back to my channel. So I got this wig from Amazon and this is how I turned it icy white. The description of the wig will be in the description box. So I'm just going to do the watercolor method with the Shimmer Lights shampoo. This is how the wig looks before, and then I'm just going to put lukewarm water into a bucket and just pour some of the shampoo, and I'm going to stir it up. And I did this a few times just to make sure that it was completely submerged in the water and completely toned. So after dipping that a few times, I let it sit in the water for like 10 minutes. But I did get this wig off Amazon, so the frontal did not change the same color as the rest of the wig. So I let it sit longer. And I was really nervous about how it was going to turn out. So around 15 minutes is probably how long I kept it in there. But after it turned silver, you know that it's white. I was trying to turn it icy white, but it ended up being like a platinum and icy white, like two-tone color, which I actually ended up liking. So after I got done dipping it, I washed it with Dawn soap. So after washing it out with the Dawn soap, this is how it looks. It ended up being like two colors. And then I blow dried it because I was nervous. So I really wanted to see how it looked. So this is how it came out after I blow dried it. And I like it. Stay tuned for the install, which will be in my upcoming video for my song called Don't Play Freestyle. I will be wearing this wig. But thank you for watching. Please feel free to comment, subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. Also, this is how it looks in like dim lighting. So you can still tell that it's like two-tone, but not really. But thanks for watching.